Hello my students, good morning and welcome back. Today we will finish all the lessons that we study in the class, okay? Listen to me and be careful because we are near for the exam. I hope you watch all the videos that we did, okay? Open your book, page 50. We will talk about unit 50, lesson 15, lesson 1, okay? We have some also it's about the present simple and we use do does for the question, okay? We have some pictures here like cap. We have cap, jacket, scarf, gloves, okay, umbrella and sweater, okay? Cap, jacket, scarf, gloves, sweater, umbrella, okay? And we have two persons here. Let me ask you a question. For example, does he have a scarf? Does he have a scarf? Yes, he does. Does he have gloves? No, he doesn't. Does he have a cap? Yes, he does. Okay. Does she have an umbrella? Yes, she does. Does she have a scarf? No, he doesn't. We use does for the question because we have he, one person, okay? And we have she also. We use does for the question, okay? And listen to, let me read what we have. Oh no, my computer isn't working. This sentence, it is present continuous and it's a negative sentence because we have isn't it the sentence, okay? If we make it to positive, it will be my computer is working, okay? My computer subject isn't verb to be is, working is a verb ing. Do the teachers have a computer? It's a question. We use do's because we have the teachers, okay? We have more than one teacher. If we have I, we, you, they, we put do for the question. No, they don't, okay? Do Soma and Shivan have a computer? Yes, they do. Also, we have two persons, Soma and Shivan. It means that we have they. For they, we put do for the question. Do Soma and Shivan have a computer? Yes, they do. You can use our computer. Okay? This lesson also about the sound. Say words with the same sound. We have I sound, okay? Here big, like big, like a fig, like milk, okay? Ride, it means ride a horse, okay? Nice, for ride we have nice and ride. Shirt, we have t-shirt and we have skirt. Also we have t-shirt and we have skirt. Okay, ask and answer questions. Okay, we have two persons here and we have some things. Let me ask a question. Do they have bicycles? Do they have bicycles? We have they. We should say do for the question. Yes, they do. Okay. Yes, they do. Do they? Okay. Do they have gloves? Yes, they do. You can make many sentences for this picture. Okay, do monkeys like bananas? We have monkeys because we have more than one monkey. We should say do for the question. Do monkeys like bananas? Yes, they do. They do. Monkeys like bananas and I like you. We don't put s or es to the verb because we don't need. We have more than one monkey. Okay, do monkeys like kebabs? No, they don't. It isn't true. Monkeys like bananas and I like you. Okay. And skills lesson one, we have time expression. We say that we use present simple with time expression. Okay, we have in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, and it's night. Okay, on Monday at 6 o'clock, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, at night, on Monday at 6. Okay, for example, I get up in the morning at 6 o'clock. Okay, I watch television in the evening. Okay, we use present simple with time expression. Okay, and I go to school in the morning. I go to school in the morning. Okay, we said that we use in for parts of days, for example morning, afternoon, evening, or for months April, May, June, July. Okay, and we use on for days of the week. Okay, for example Monday, Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay, and we use at for time, for example at 6 o'clock or at night. Okay, say sentence about this one. Okay, for example, I get up in the morning, I watch television for example at night, I have dinner in the evening. Okay, I have breakfast in the morning, I don't go to school on Friday. Okay, unit 16 also we have let me read, we have some pictures here. Okay, we don't go to school on Saturday. Okay, we don't, we should say don't. Okay, we don't go to school on Saturday, we do our homework. Also we have we should say do. Sorry, we visit our friends in the afternoon. Okay, we visit our friends in the afternoon. We have lunch with my grandmother on Sunday, she cooks a lot of food. Okay, we have is, we put is to the verb because we have she, we have one person. If we have she, he, it, and one person, we put is or es to the verb. I go to school in the morning, in the afternoon my friends play with me. Okay, you can read at home because we don't have enough time. Also this is a sound, say words with the same sound. Okay, we have focus, like focus and top. For example, we have O sound, focus, and we have top. You have you, it means to or do. Okay, nose means home, we have home or we have sofa. For tea we have horse and we have your. Pay attention for these sounds. Okay, ask and answer, use the words in the box. We have two persons, they play computer games in the morning and they watch television in the afternoon. Okay, they don't read books in the morning. Okay, you can make a sentence at home. Unit 17 also, it's about the preposition of place. Okay, preposition of place, because we have next to, near, behind, and between, in front of, along, way from. Next to, it means you stand next to the something. Okay, near, something near from you. Behind, something you can hide yourself behind something. Between, it means that something yes, we have two things, you can sit between two things, like this cat, it's between two boxes. In front of, it means that you are sitting in front of the something. A long way from, it means something far away from you. Okay, Okay, the girl also we have this picture. In this picture, where's the girl? The girl is behind, sorry, between the flowers and the house. Okay, where's the cow? It is okay. The cow is far away from the house. Where's the car? The car is in front of the house. Okay. Also, okay, sorry, let me show you. Also we have this picture. It is full. It's about how to describe locations with the prepositional places. Okay, for example, in this picture he said my house is next to the park. Okay, he described his house. My house is next to the park. The park is between my house and the shopping mall. Okay, my school is a long way from the house. Come and visit us. Okay, excuse me, where is the school? Okay, where's the school? The school is next to the park, or you can say the school is between the park and the mini market. Also we have the sound U. We have duck like jug. Okay, duck like jug or young. We have house like mouth or mouse. Okay, you have your, it means for example, for nurse we have Thursday. Okay, ruler we have Tuesday or you. Okay, ruler you have you or Tuesday. Okay, in this picture, let me ask you, where's the snake? Okay, you can say the snake is between the elephant and panda, or you can say the snake is behind the lion. Where's the monkey? You can say the monkey is in front of the elephant, and you can say the monkey is next to the lion. Where's the tiger? Also, you can make a sentence at home. And this is leave it. Okay, we have revision 5. Where's the market? The market is behind the school. Okay, read it carefully. Also, we finished unit 17. Also, it's about 18. Sorry, we finished the whole book, unit 18. It's a review for all of the lessons that we study in the beginning of the book until the end. Okay, I hope you be all fine and healthy. Study very hard because you are near for the exam. Thank you for watching. Goodbye and see you inshallah.